If you want to become more energy efficient, then a good place to start is your heating, ventilation, and cooling system, the HVAC. Why? About half the energy you use in your home goes to heating and air conditioning. Your comfort at home on hot and cold days is directly tied to this equipment and to how well your home is sealed and insulated. There are 3 ways an inefficient HVAC system could cost you money. First, the system itself may not be running optimally. Second, there is energy loss right at the unit. And then there's energy lost as the air is pumped through your house. Here are a few suggestions to help you step up to savings. Tune up your HVAC system every year using a licensed contractor. It needs to be maintained just like a car. Seal your ducts by applying mastic or foil tape, not duct tape, along duct joints where you have access to your ducts. The mastic hardens to create a well-sealed barrier. Make sure you change air filters every month. Dirty filters inhibit the flow of air through the filter, causing the unit to work harder to heat or cool to the temperature you want, and potentially causing your equipment to break down. Close any gap with tape if the original cover is missing or no longer fits snugly. So you remember to change the filters, send yourself reminders, or put it on a calendar. You can also put a piece of tape on the outside of the filter and date it so you know the last time you changed it. Remember, the #1 way to save energy and money in your home and increase your comfort is to improve the energy performance of your heating and cooling equipment and to seal and insulate your home. Thanks for watching.